Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today we had CPI, core CPI, and all that good inflation stuff. But today we dropped from 7.7 inflation year on year to 7.1, which is a zero point 0.6 difference, but obviously the market did not give a shit. I will show you what the market gave a shit about. I'm pretty sure the sentiment in the market is now just becoming inflationary. People are not trying to buy in the market because they think we are going to have a recession. So in the morning, I was talking about how the gap up is testing the year-to-date anchored VWAP. So I was like, all right, that's actually fucking huge. It rejected last time, but during the gap up, it ran into all this volume over here on the right side and tested the VWAP. So I was expecting some resistance. Obviously, you don't know when you just don't know. Like when it reaches key levels like that, you're just like kind of guessing. But today I had an anchor VWAP down here at the last FOMC, and then I have another VWAP right here for this gap up on CPI. Obviously, if we go to the day, it just downtrended most of the days. Besides over here, it kind of had a downtrend, then bounced back up over the main VWAP up to plus 2 deviation. But if you held all day, congratulations, you banked on profit. But we're not looking at that time frame. We're looking at this time frame. Okay. Initially in the morning, we have fucking quite good news on the inflation, but that doesn't seem to matter. It popped up to the plus 2 deviation on the FOMC VWAP, and it immediately started just falling. So I paper traded today. I paper traded puts. I have a lot more trades in this one, but this is my best trade, so I want to share it with you. I have 2 shares at 0.75, which is this entry right here. I'll put it in white. 2 shares down here, which is a decent entry, I should say. It is 30 cents off of the low, but that is okay, because how I played this was quite well. What time did I get in? I got in at 9:30. So basically down here, I got in damn near at the lows. So, I mean, if you think about it, it's not that bad. I held it for like 10 minutes, not even. Yeah, the max was 10 minutes, 8 minutes technically. But basically, here, let me go to 1 minute. Immediately, we started rejecting highs, rejecting the year-to-date VWAP, which had me very excited. I was like, okay, this is going to be a banger-ass trade, which it was. I mean, this is a great trade. If I did this with real money, I would have been like, fuck, that's a fucking great day. But I get out 175, and I'm like seeing this slow grind up, and I'm like, cool. And we start to see our first signs of like rejection, but it does eventually shoot the fuck up. But I take one out at about like 35-ish profit, 40-ish profit. Yeah, so then I'm like, all right, cool, let me go to a higher time frame and just be patient, see what's up. And I get out at the top right here. I wonder what caused me to get out. I think it was because it was at a deviation. Yep, it was at the lowest deviation, the third deviation. Plus, it's like you don't want to hold a ton right here because you don't know the direction. It is rejecting immediately, but I don't know if it will pop back up and start running up to 414 like it was pre-market. So I got out at the high right here of 297. I don't know the percentage. I'll put it on the title, but good trade. I enjoyed that. I also had Netflix trades. I got in. I mean, it could have been better, but Netflix I bought in at 250. I had them over here at like ones, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not gonna go back and check. But yeah, I held this Netflix most of the day. Let me go on right here. I had these most of the day. 20% gains, which is not bad. I mean, Netflix is kind of a stubborn bitch. It falls and pops up, falls, pops up, falls, pops up. So the premiums, like, they just kind of get wrecked. But they work, so yeah. But the SPY trade was my favorite trade. SPY absolute stupid today. Can't predict this, but I mean, this is very good information about how the market's feeling about inflation and rate hikes. I mean, we have FOMC tomorrow, so that'll also be huge. But yeah, that's really it. Adios. I'll see you later.